I hope you are well, and let's go back in this new video where I'm going to show you gift ideas mostly for Christmas under a budget of $800 US. So let's dive into directly. The first gift idea that I have and that I found is Louis Vuitton is the packing cube. So it's actually very cute because it can fit for both women and men. These are great, like if you travel a lot or even if you want to use them in your bathroom. It's actually a very nice touch in the home decoration. The price is $650 US. I love it, actually. It's very nice and the price is not that expensive, so why not? Then going to Chanel. Yes, I do have Chanel gift ideas here that are not too expensive. Obviously, you still have some, but nothing much. So we have a Chanel brooch. This one is metal and strass. The price for this one is $625 US. I have one that from Saint Laurent. I use them quite sometimes because it was from my grandmother's. So I don't use it so much because I don't want to damage it. It's more like a remember gift, so I just love it. Brooch are very nice and it's timeless. You can buy it like, you could have buy it like 30 years ago, it will still today be like trendy. So it's actually a nice gift that you can use on a coat or on a shirt or whatever. Also, by the way, my name is Margot alias Margavalux. I'm very passionate about luxury handbags. I do YouTube videos on Wednesday and Sundays, and these days I do more videos also on Thursday because it's soon to be Christmas. I have a lot to tell you. But anyway, let's go back to the video. Another gift idea that I have is from Dior. This is a saddle belt. It's worth $660 US. This one is quite good, actually. I love it. It's very cute. It's mini. A belt is always a good idea. We see a lot the Kelly belt from Hermès and the Céline belt, but I wanted something a bit different. Obviously, we will mention them maybe later. But the Hermès belt is so way out of budget for this list. So I decided to have like the Dior one, and it's less thin. Then we are going to Céline, and this gift idea, let me tell you, it's amazing. By the way, stay until the end of the video because at the end I have the most amazing gifts. Anyway, so let's go back here. This is a small pouch with a strap from Céline in Canva. This is perfect because it can be like a toiletry pouch. It also can be like an everyday small pouch that it can fit in your bags, or you can take like this to go to have a drink or to buy anything. But the price is very interesting. The price is $740 US. Well, it's actually a very good price, knowing that it's less expensive now than Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton used to be very cheap for these kind of items, but now they increase so much. And Céline now is a very, very trendy brand, so it can be very nice. It can be either, or it can be also both for women and men. And this collection, in this selection, I try to have very mixed products always. Then another pouch that we can mention is the Fendi one. This is a medium beauty pouch. This is a beauty pouch first, but also you can use it as an everyday pouch that you can fit in your bags or that you can take like this. You can add a chain, I believe, like with a bag organizer inside as the toiletry pouch from Louis Vuitton. This one is worth $630 US. This is a very nice gift ideas and it's different. We don't see Fendi products a lot and I truly believe these are very nice. Then we are going to Hermès with a necklace. This one, personally, I love it. I freaking love it. This is not that expensive and the price is $440 US. This is the mini pop age from Hermès. I would love to get this in as a gift. I would freaking love it. This is a nice gift and this is so cute. It's mini, it's very nice. You can see it's Hermès, but not too much. You have different colors. You also have the earrings that goes with it. Personally, I'm allergic to everything, so I can only have like clips. That's it, unfortunately. Then going to Gucci, and here we have also a beauty cosmetic case worth $450 US. This one is actually very cute. It's different. I truly believe that beauty and cosmetic pouch are very trendy right now. We love it. We can also use it as a small pouch, so it's very versatile. You can use them in very different ways. Then going to Prada, I usually don't mention a lot Prada, but this one is a card holder, and this one was actually great. This is a Saffiano leather Prada card holder. The price is $460 US. I love the fact that it's very colorful. It's different from what we're used to see. And this is what I like, actually. So why not? No, I actually love it. Going to Louis Vuitton now. I'm sorry, I have to go fast because I have so many gifts on this selection here that I have to mention to you. I don't want this video to be like 20 minutes, and I guess you too. So yeah, and also if you agree or do not agree, or you found something nice, let me know in the comment. Of course, do not hesitate, like don't be shy. Also, I have another gift idea that I love and that is actually quite nice. This is a Louis Vuitton Pochette accessoire mini. This one is cool, and this is a price of $745. It increased so much for these items. It's insane, but it's still very nice because you have like a small chain that you can wear it as a bag, or you can wear it as a double bag if you have the bigger version of this pochette. You can add it to another bag. You can add it inside another bag. So it's very versatile also. You can wear it in different many ways. You have the damier azur, damier ébène, monogram. You have plenty of them. Then going back to Céline with a Triumph compact wallet worth $630. Be careful with this one because it's a compact wallet, so you're gonna use it a lot, but not too much because the leather is quite sensitive concerning like scratches on this one. So you're just be aware you're gonna damage the wallet quite easy. So depending on your preference, but maybe take the one in Canva, it would be better. But still, I had to add it on the selection because it's actually very cute. You have like the Triumph logo. It's actually very fine. Then we are going to Dior again and mentioning like the coin purse. This is a 30 Montaigne. Price is $520. This is a very nice mini coin purse from Dior. For me, it's a bit expensive for what it is, but we still love Dior. Dior is quite expensive now, I believe, for like small items comparing to other maisons, but it's still like a very good price point for a luxury maison, of course. And it's a nice gift idea. Like if you have someone who loves Dior, why not? Oh, that is some gift ideas that I I love, and it's a very unusual, like it's a funny one. It's a crazy one. It's a leather charm, Fendi first. It's a very, very mini Fendi charm that you can probably wear in crossbody also because you have a long chain. I don't know. I would have to check this in store for you guys, but it's a $590 gift. So it could be like it's not a bag. Clearly, it's a charm bag. But if you can wear like crossbody, it could be like perfect for an outfit. It can be like a very accessory thing, but it can be nice if you have like a Fendi lover and you want to gift yourself or gift someone else. It can be a gift idea. So next one, going back to Chanel, and we have a card holder, the classic one from Chanel, which goes with like the timeless classic bag. This is $500. They increased a little bit, but not that much. And you have like either classical leather or you have grain, like the caviar leather. I would advise you for these ones to go to caviar leather. I have one for myself. I choose like a very bright color. I have a bright pink for this one. Caviar leather. It was for Valentine's Day, actually. I like this one because it's very colorful. I tried to buy others directly to Chanel in Barcelona, but they have never what I want. They have nothing in stock. I don't know what are your thoughts if you were already at Chanel in Barcelona, but they have nothing in stock, like always. It's super complicated and I don't want to spend my life there. I'm quite disappointed anyway by Chanel in general and by Chanel Barcelona. Anyway, let's go to another gift idea. We are going to Hermès now with a belt. This is a mini H and this is reversible. So you can, this is a reversible lever. So you can choose the buckle apart and you can choose the lever. You have different colors, you can choose different buckle, and you can kind of personalize the belt that you want. So it's actually quite a good news, I would say. And you have very plenty of. You can try them in store. Usually they don't have everything in store, so just have a look on the website first and then go in store and make your selection. The price is not that expensive. It's a $590 compared to the Kelly one. I like it. I still think I prefer the Kelly one, but also this is a nice different ways to change, and you have way more options on these ones. And to have last one I mentioned, it's a bag. Yes, I was able to find a bag under $800. This is insane because you don't have any now. And this is at Gucci. This is a mini Ophidia GG. It is worth $750 US. The bag is amazing. I love it. This is a mini bag. I love the mini bags at Gucci, actually. I'm not a huge fan of Gucci in general, but they have the best mini bags ever. I actually love the vibe of these mini bags. It gives a very chic vibe. It gives like a very Carrington vibe. I love it. So if you have the reference, that's good. But yeah, I think it was a nice touch if you want to offer or get offered like a very cheap bag, luxury bags. This is the one. It's a very, but also it can fit with lots of things. This is a very good canvas, and it's going to increase. So maybe it's now the time to do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really advise you to subscribe to my channel if you did not yet. Go check my other videos. I will add one just here that you can check just after this one. Like this video, comment, and I'll see you very soon. Bisous. Bye.